Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix USB drive showing 2 partitions. How to solve pen drive showing 2 drives. Open File Explorer. USB show 2 drives. Open Disk Management. Removable disk shows 2 partition. Disk 4 is removable drive. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type Diskpart. Type list disk. Disk 4 is removable drive. Type list vol. Type list part. We want to delete partition 2, type cell part 2. Type del part override. Type list part. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.